Welcome to Columbia Square Atrium. I was the project manager on this project. So basically what we were doing was taking an old restaurant space and refurbishing it for a new restaurant space. So basically we're standing right now in the shell and core part of it. And basically we were taking out all the old kitchen area, there was a bar area, and then even kind of like some seating and stuff like that was down here. So we just kind of made it all nice and clean. And I had a little fun fact that the restaurant that this was way back when, Eddie used to come here with his grandparents, and when he was just a little guy. So that's kind of a little fun fact. But the main part of this project was really in this atrium here. So we basically gutted this whole area. Before, back behind there was actually a sill, more of a sill wall all the way around. It still had windows, still had the skylight, but we took that completely out, dropped the window lines all the way down to the ground floor, put in new structural steel, brand new skylight system, and then we added in, I think it's really the highlight of the whole project, is completely all the way around. We put in these new bifold doors. There's 10 of them, but there's kind of 4 back in this back area. There's 2 here that basically open out into this patio, and then another 4 here that open out onto the sidewalk area and this planter. So the other thing that we did was the patio that's outside. It originally slanted, and we ended up taking that completely out, flattening it, so this way, when these nice, beautiful doors are open, you're able to completely walk out there. They can have, seating for their people, everything. So that's kind of the highlight of the project.
Project manager down here at Columbia Square Lobby. Kind of give you guys a little tour. We originally had a florist back in this area that we removed and built out the new seating area and raised all the ceilings about 1 foot. Put in this new system called the Star Silent Acoustical System. We added new feature wall wood panels with metal inlay, patinaed metal inlay. Same thing over here with the perforated wood ceiling. And then we also added a very expensive and very nice museum grade quality display case that will house some of Melvin Mark's presidential artifacts and memorabilia. We also brought in a lot, I wish I could tell you how many pieces of stone from Mexico for the wood, or not for the wood, for the walls and the floor. All of this is brand new stone, and we also put that in all of the new elevator cabs as well.
I'm Tanner Lindquist, I'm a project engineer on this project. We also redid all of the elevator cabs, the finishes. The original finishes were original to the building, so they were some awesome wood paneling and the thickest tile you've ever seen in your life. Some of the finishes, we have glass panels surround. These metal trim pieces all had to be patinaed, the same process throughout the lobby. COPs had to be removed to be patinaed, and the ceiling also had to be patinaed before installed. Same floor throughout the lobby. Now they look a lot better.